Hello people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, leave a comment, but more than anything, I'm asking that you subscribe to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Jamaican government, the current Jamaican government and their priorities, because in my opinion, Jamaican government has their priority wrong people. I'm talking about two propositions that was made recently by two of Jamaican Labour Party's minister, Robert Montague and Desmond McKenzie. Robert Montague is the current Minister of Transportation, and Desmond McKenzie is the current Minister of Local Government. So I'm going to start with Robert Montague first, because Robert Montague is proposing an airport in Manchester, Mandeville, people. And in my opinion, it's pointless to have a third airport in Manchester. But before my Manchester viewers and my Manchester subscribers get on my case, I'm asking you guys, please, to not think selfishly, but think about the whole island of Jamaica, its purpose and its benefit. I mean, after all, Jamaica already has an airport at Kingston, Norman Manley International Airport, and we have another international airport in Montego Bay, Donald Sangster's International Airport. Do we really need a third airport in Mandeville? People, Jamaica is 4,240 square miles of land. It's not a very big country. I can see the relevance of a third airport, especially with the fact that these new highways and byways get people across Jamaica faster than before. I mean, even if these highways wasn't intact, I still would say it's irrelevant. Here's the thing, I've lived in Mandeville before. Mandeville is more of a residential area than it is a corporate area. So I'm trying to think, what is the relevance or what is the gain outside of the loan or the money that these people are going to take from taxpayers that's going to benefit Jamaica? Why would the airport be relevant in Mandeville? I'm trying to be fair here, and I'm thinking fairly as possible. Jamaica is not a big country. We don't need a third airport. So the only thing I can think of is these people are only thinking that, you know what, we're going to get a loan, whether that's from foreign aid or whether that's from a third party or whether that's going to be a legitimate excuse to use taxpayers' money, and we're going to invest in an airport in Mandeville, and whether that airport profit or it doesn't profit, the skimming that they're going to take is already in pocket, and that's it. That's my view, because hey, let's not act like we don't know the underbelly of Jamaican government and its history of corruption. I mean, if y'all could point out to me another genuine reason why we need a third airport in Mandeville, I'm all ears. But the way I'm looking at it is where Mandeville is located. Mandeville is almost in the center of Jamaica. And for you guys who don't know, Jamaica is one of those countries that you could actually circle the whole island in less than a day. So for a country that one could actually circle in less than a day, I'm trying to be fair here, and I'm trying to see the logic of Robert Montague and its proposition. I'm trying to see, is this going to bring a boost to tourism? I mean, what is in Mandeville that tourists from the US, the UK, and Canada would be saying, oh, instead of landing in Kingston, the capital, or Montego Bay, the second city, maybe we should go to Mandeville? Why? What's there to see? Mandeville is a residential area. But don't get me wrong, like I said, I've lived in Mandeville. Beautiful, great homes, big mansion-sized home. And as you know, the weather in Mandeville, climate-wise, is very cool in Mandeville. It's not as hot as the rest of the country. Of course, it's very near to St. Elizabeth and Holland Bamboo and all that. But at the same time, if I'm thinking investment-wise, tourism, Mandeville, and airport, why? For the ease of the people? For the ease of the people, that would make sense. But here's the thing. we're not that lush at the moment. We're not that flourishing in cash at the moment. You know, when a country has money, then a country can invest its money in all kinds of excess luxury. A third airport for me is an excess luxury. Besides, Jamaica has so much other little small aerodrome all over the place. There's aerodrome in Kingston, Tintapen, there's one in Portland, there's one in the Grill, and there's one in St. Elizabeth. So apart from the two major airports in Jamaica, we have 4 smaller airstrips that I hear that they're renovating at the moment. Whether they're up and running or they need renovation, where landing a plane is concerned, that's already 6 places Jamaica has to land a plane. Do we really need a third airport in Mandeville? To all my Mandeville people, don't screw, don't get vexed. I'm just saying it's irrelevant. Don't be too patriotic to your parish and says, well, we're from Mandeville, we're from Manchester, it will be a good look. A good look indeed. I'm not saying it wouldn't be a good look. But would it benefit Jamaica? Would it benefit the country? Would it benefit people in any other way? I mean, I'm trying to see the bigger picture here, people. So point it out to me just in case I'm blindsided, because as you know, on my channel, I always say, each one teach one. I don't sit up here and act as if I know everything or I got everything figured out. But from my viewpoint at the moment, an airport in Jamaica, whether it's another international airport or it's a smaller airstrip, I don't see the relevance of it in Mandeville. Let me know, people, if you agree with me. Now for my second topic, people. Desmond McKenzie, the local government minister for the Jamaican Labour Party, has suggested that within the year 2020 to 2021, he will be implementing water shops around the country, and he will be trying to eliminate water trucks. Okay, before I get on the issue of water shops, let me tackle his issue of water trucks, which I agree with the minister, because according to the minister, when it comes to the water trucks, they've been a little sketchy where administration is concerned. A lot of them are not certified and they don't have enough evidence or proof that they're sterilized. I'm all for that, you know, because health is our #1 wealth. So if the minister is resenting water trucks and he wants to put them out of business for the simple fact that he can't trust them where sterilization is concerned, I am all for that. But at the same time, I'm curious about the water shops, because these water shops that the minister is actually proposing, it was not said whether these water shops going to be offering water to the residents of neighborhoods who don't have access to water for free, or is this going to cost them? This is how I feel about it. If it's going to cost them, this is a hustle from the local government minister. If it's not going to cost them, then I applaud the Jamaican Labour Party and I applaud Desmond McKenzie for having such a brilliant idea. Like I said, the information did not say these water shops going to be offering water for free or they're going to be offering water at a price. If it's at a price, I think it's punishment to the Jamaican people. And I think it would be a sly and kind of inhumane move from the Jamaican Labour Party while hiding under the guise of being helpful and humane. So I hope that the water shop idea does not attract price. So pretty much I'm going to throw in my vote and I'm going to say, if the water shop idea, which eliminating the water trucks, mean the people have to pay for the water, then the government of Jamaica just need to be more stern where these water truck contractors are concerned and put serious fines on them. You need to have your certificate up to date and you need to have your truck sterilized. This is people's health we're dealing with. But at the same time, a few weeks ago, I did a vlog that was actually saying I don't understand why Jamaica doesn't have water. Jamaica is in the Caribbean Sea, and you can actually go on YouTube these days and figure out how first world countries get their water system into play to serve their bigger countries or their bigger regions. So I don't understand why a small country like Jamaica in 2019, there's still neighborhoods in Jamaica where people still carrying buckets of water and still going to the tank and still waiting in water truck. That's ridiculous. Here's my idea before I close off this vlog. My idea is that the Jamaican government squashed the old Mandeville airport idea, and wherever they were going to get the money from to do an airport, to build an airport in Mandeville, they need to use that money and put in a water irrigation system for the entire island of Jamaica. This is 2019, people. People should not still have water problem, especially people living in an island that's smack in the middle of water. One of my subscribers recently wrote that the idea that I propose, Jamaica doesn't even have to go that far because there's so many freshwater rivers that's running through the island, and I could not agree more. Anyway, people, that's pretty much it for today, but before I go, I have to big up some people.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
So the first person I want to big up today is a subscriber by the name of Barbara Richards, and the second person I want to big up is a subscriber by the name of Carol Burrell. Then I want to big up Anthony Harris, and last but not least, I want to big up Devontae Smith.
Big up yourself to the maximum.
Okay, people, one more thing before I sign off. Just a quick reminder to let you guys know that in a couple days it will be the deadline for my $25,000 raffle giveaway. Whoever doesn't enter the raffle by then, you know, that's just the cutoff point. Y'all can't send a video in after that, you know, because I won't accept it after that. And in a couple days after the deadline, I will announce the winner, because respect to my subscribers for bringing me to 10,000 subscription. Okay, that's a wrap for today, people. Like I always say on this channel, I accept agreement, disagreement, thumbs up, thumbs down, because at the end of the day, each one teach one. Until next time, people, peace.